What is up, guys? Day, whatever, I don't know. Like day. Let me check my itinerary. This is my list that my dad made for me every day. Yeah. So today is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is my 9th day. I left home 9 days ago. That's crazy. Yesterday, didn't really do much filming. I don't think I did any on the GoPro actually. I was at, where was I? At the stadium the whole day. A lot of just sparring and stuff. Today is ball breaking team events, like team sparring, team patterns, but it's only me and Sean from New Zealand, and so we can't qualify for any team events, which sucks, but you know, is what it is. And then it'll be the gala tonight, which will be the best fighters in the finals, so it'll be the really good guys. So I might film some stuff with that, which means I need to get my charging cable from my uncle because I left it in his car. And then I'm about to go to some shops, just look around, get me some snackies maybe, and then just relax a bit. I don't know, see what we can find. Cool beans! We're off on our adventure. Gonna go see my uncle in his hotel room to grab the charger, and then go to the shops, maybe grab lunch with him, who knows. Also, I went to a party last night. It was average. The music was nice, I guess, hype. But I don't really like dancing, so yeah, unless it's with the boys. Otherwise I would have been going ham, but it was with random people from different countries. Time lapse this, Jesse. Those are some friends that I made with the help of Sean from Wales. It's amazing how like you get to, it's so weird to think about that, like I'm now friends, and so many Sean's like multiple time world champion. He's like medaled 8 out of 10 world competitions, which is pretty insane. So he knows all these legends, and he's been friends with so many international like world champions and different things, and he literally just walk around with him and he just talks to so many people and he introduces me to everyone. So it's just like a free ticket to have conversations and talk with all these good people, and it's pretty cool. It's great experiences, great learning, great fun. It's great. It's so good. Parkour! I don't know if I've showed you guys much of this stuff, like walking to the hotel. I guess it'll be the first look. I should really be at the start of the video, but nope. A human. It's not actually a human. Hope you guys enjoyed that wee musical. Team Jolt, well, 1/5 of Team Jolt in Slovenia is the name of it. Continue time lapse. I know this is going to be a long clip, Jesse, but if you like do the time lapse thing and condense it, it should be okay, I think. You're just going to have to put it back to normal speed when I'm talking about stuff. Speaking of which, the rate of like wealthiness in Europe is so much higher than New Zealand. Like, it was a 2-hour drive from Venice airport to the hotel. I was only awake for an hour. I stayed awake for an hour, then I slept the other hour. The first hour I was awake, I counted over 10 Porsches. It's crazy. Like really nice, crazy nice cars. Oh, there's also usually nice cars parked in the hotel right here. Hopefully the yellow one's still there. It's crazy, so many nice cars, so many people wearing designer clothes. It's crazy. Oh yes, it's there. Let's go. My uncle's hotel, by the way. He's in the fancy hotel. Beautiful. You guys have already seen this hotel. Yeah. Registration and stuff. That was here. Grounds floor 7. Look how high it is. This is the 7th floor. Well, this is 11th floor. It's actually the top floor. 7. Watch. That's really. This should be it. That's weird, he definitely said 7:19. Jesse, I reckon another montage or normal speed. I feel like that'd be boring. So let's montage it. Look at this parkour worthiness. I'm gonna run. Yo. See guys? Oh, there's tag. Left side of the steering wheel is on that side. How bizarre. Okay, please hope it's here somewhere. I'm gonna cry. I'm looking for my cable, by the way. I don't know if I told you guys that. Yes! Haha! I don't have to buy Jesse a cable. Little coins. Look at this. 1 cent. It's got a flamingo. Oh no, it's 10 cents. No, 1 cent. Those are my chips. Those are the styrofoam. You guys remember the styrofoam chips? Rubbish can stay there. Then we just go. Yo. Let's go, boys and girls. Sorry for our female audience. My sincerest apologies. This is gonna be, I feel like this will be a really boring video for some people to watch, but I'm actually gonna be, I can't wait to re-watch and like relive the memories. It's gonna be so good. I mean, it will be interesting, obviously. I don't know how much other talking you want to cut out, Jesse. Like, I don't know. I don't even know if I'm saying this to you. This doesn't even need to be in the video. I should be texting you this. But like, I don't know if you want to cut out like a lot of the talking, or if it's just gonna be like montages, or if we split it into like day 1, day 2, day 3 videos, or if we just make it into like a 3-hour film. Although I haven't filmed that much. It's not actually that much filming, it'll be like an hour at the most. Something like that. Anyway, gonna go drop this off, hopefully the GoPro doesn't die. And I'll start a new clip here, Jesse, because I love you. Well, I mean, I like men, I mean, beans. This tower. I'm gonna have a look at it. It looks like you probably can't climb it. Padlock. Interesting. Oh, that sucks. We would be climbing that if the boys were here. I'm gonna be trying to anyway, but just slightly, oh, we could get to the top of that easily. Just slightly skeptical being at a pretty fancy hotels and there's lots of people around. But otherwise that would have been sick. Just got the charging cable for the GoPro, put that on charge the batteries. So they're ready for tonight for some good filmage. Blech.